So today I'm looking at a case. It's a mag case from Pitaka, and it's for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, as you can tell by my subscribers count, I am in no way affiliated with Pitaka nor any other case manufacturers. So please just take this as my genuine first impressions of this case. I'm also hoping to be able to pick up and make a video on Lou's later case at a later time. No pun intended there. That was just corny. But anyways, right off the bat, the box feels like it's housing a very premium item, but we'll confirm that once we take a look at the case itself. Obviously, the main thing I'm liking here already is the presentation. I've said it in many of my previous videos that I'm just a sucker for great packaging and presentation. And for a case, they've done a fine job at presenting it well. After that nice setup we just went through, we can see the case along with the thank you card here. Now, according to Pitaka, this is actually made from bulletproof material, and it does have a metal plate in there, making it compatible with magnetic mounts, and still remain wireless charging compatible also. They also claim that this is the world's first case made from modular carbon fiber, which might explain why it's awfully thin and also extremely light. So we do have the different cutouts here to match the features on the actual phone, like the external buttons, the ports, the camera, and all of that good stuff. We even have a lip here to protect the phone, but depending on how you drop it, that lip may just not do that much. Well, we'll see once we put the phone in. We'll see how it fits with it. Now, in my opinion, these things don't typically protect phones that much, at least not as much as phone cases that are made to protect phones. This is actually just made to make it look, really cool and really nice. This type is more of an open concept with some level of protection on the back here. However, I don't think it would protect your phone as well as a bulky case would. Other than that, this gives your phone a very cool and different look, as I mentioned. It's actually pretty sturdy also. I wonder if it has anything to do with the metal that's inserted in there. So we're just gonna snap the phone in there and see what we are dealing with here. It does snap in with no issues at all. And I have to admit, it looks just flawless. It's actually a very nice case. It looks really good. It looks very good. I'm impressed. You can barely tell the difference when the phone is in the case. It's just so extremely light and extremely thin. Not sure if you can see that on the camera. It's very, very thin and it looks good. Now you do get a better grip because of the texture here. And as I mentioned, it's wireless charge compatible through Pitaka's magnetic system. And I'm testing that out on both my Samsung wireless stand charger, and it seems to be working perfectly. I have this other charger here that just lays flat on the table, and it also seems to work with no issues on there. So that was just my quick video on the Pitaka Mag case, and I'm really impressed by this. I can't wait till I can pick up the Lou later case and compare to that and see kind of how it feels. Until then, I'm probably going to be just alternating between my Armadillo Tech case here because it's bulkier and it protects better. But I'm also going to be using this maybe when we go out to like a restaurant or something. It's really nice. Since we're talking Samsung phone today, here's a special shout out to Everything Samsung Pro. I appreciate your support, bro. Respect. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please look forward to that Lou later case comparison with this one. Don't forget to like, of course, subscribe, comment, and of course, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.